Um, oh my God! Oy, hindi pa tumama. Wait, Lods. So, hello everyone. Ako nga pala si Lay, isang expert horror streamer. At ngayon, nagbabalik tayo sa isang horror game na pinangalanan na Choo Choo Charles. Ngayon, episode 2 na. So, continue na natin ang story na to. And, goods naman yung episode 1. Madaming habulan na nangyari. Continue. Alright, so dito ako na kasi nung episode 1 namatay tayo. Saan na ba ako pupunta? Ang layo Ito? Ito. So may egg dito. Pupuntahan natin yung eatlogs. Oh my God, Kendrick. Oh my God! Oy, hindi pa tumama. Wait, Lods, loading eggs. Oh my God, di ako ready nun Oh my God, nag-overheat. Wait, ito. Bagal mag-reload. Oh my God. Ito. Oh my God, walang kwenta to. No. Oh my God. Woo! Oh my God. First time ko ma-encounter yun. Ay, nako. Ganun pala muntik na nasira yung train ko. Nag-0% siya kanina, kung nakita nyo. Buti na lang napansin ko yung bar sa gilid ko na I think kailangan ko pabilisan yung train ko, tapos damage. Nandito na ba ako? Wala palang kwenta yun. Oh my God. Saan ako napunta? Iikot ako? No way, iikot pa ako like paganto. Dahil lang kay Charles. Or pwede ko siya ibalik. Pabalik tayo. Para dito tayo mapunta. Kasi alam nyo naman yung pipe. Lagi ako nagugulat dyan. Ang condition natin.
Thank you so much for bringing my journal.
Yan, nabalik ko na yung journal mo. Nakinuha ko na napakalayo-layo pa, tas sinabol pa ako ni Charles kanina dahil dyan.
I would hope, for your own good, that you didn't peek inside.
Ay, sayang. Tinignan ko sana yung laman.
But, here are those scraps I promised.
Sayang. Tinignan ko sana kung naman ng diary. Sayang. So, takbohin ko na to, I guess. I think goods na natakboy na to. Right. Meron dito. Tao po. Daming scrap Before the cave-in, I pushed the space rail. Oh my God. Pag nabasahin na. Oh!
Welcome to Araniram, Archivist Museum person. My apologies. I'm not the best with introductions, but I don't believe either of us are here for socializing. I just so happen to have a little business opportunity, if you're interested. A very special little box of mine is in a rail car in the nearby canyon, but the goons have set up a camp to protect that area, so be careful. Find the blue box and bring it back to me. I'll give you some scraps as payment.
Bayad sa akin lahat, scrap So, ano meron dito, Lods? Yun? Oh! Okay lang pala tumalon-talon na ganun. Galing ko, nagko-quest ako, tumatakbo-takbo lang ako. Takbo lang. Isipag pa ako, partida. May naggagala dyan. Uy, kita ko siya sa map, oh. Hala, inakyat ako! Wala, joke lang eh. Joke lang. Balik na ako. Dun. Aray ko! Pinaril na pala ako. Very basic. Basic.
Hey, get out of here!
Ay, halods. Boom! Patay! Oy! Heal muna ako. Wait. Ibabalik ko na ba? Lods. Mabagal ka, hindi mo umabot. I'm safe. Babalik ko na lang pala. Nakuha na pala. Okay, Lods.
That's the exact box I needed. Now take these scraps and skedaddle.
Okay, upgrade na ako ng train ko. Upgrade. Ang ano lang, pagka namatay ka, mawawalan ka ng scrap. So, may 100 akong scrap. Upgrade natin lahat yan. Tapos, magtitira ako ng scrap para pagka nilabanan ko si Charles, pwede kong i-heal yung ano ko, i-heal yung aking, what do you call this? Ang aking train. So, back na muna ako. Hanggang sa umabot dito. Medyo malayo tong tatakboyin ko. At pumipiyok-piyok pa ako. Hello po. Uy, ano nangyari sa'yo?
We haven't met, but I've heard lots about you coming to help us. I have a favor to ask. The breakers on the side of the lighthouse need replacing.
Oh.
I was recently attacked by Charles, so I'm unable to do it myself.
Inataka ni Charles.
If you go get them and repair the lighthouse, I can try signaling passing ships to come help us. Once you finish, I have some spare scraps to give you.
Sige ah. Oh, yan dami palang scrap eh. Ay, hindi pala scrap to. Pang-ayos pala ng watchtower to. Ito scrap. Dito yung... eto. Ito lang pala. Ayun. Okay na.
Fixing the
Bayan mo.
lighthouse will definitely increase our chances of being spotted. Here are those scraps I promised.
Babaeng yun, nagpaayos lang ng lighthouse. Diretso na tayo dito sa may mine. Malayo-layong trip. So... Okay, takbo lang. Uy, may loot! Loot! Let's go! Ay, may nagbabantay. Scrap. Itlog. Where is the itlog? Huh?
No trespassing!
Oh my god ka! Joke lang, Lods! Joke lang! Lods! Trap ako dito, Lods! Wag, Lods! Wag! Ano to, maze? Ay, Lod.
It's out, you know. Forever.
Ay,
Yeah, forever.
oh my god. Alright. Oh my god! Ugh! Last one, last one.
You should have seen it!
Nakakatakot yung mukha. Nagugulot ako. Hanapin ko dito. Ay! Loads! 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 Joke lang, Loads! 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 Labas muna, labas muna. Ay! Inabol mo kasi ako! Buisit ka! Bakit tumatama lagi yung shotgun? Okay, so ano bang gagawin natin doon sa itlog na yon? Kinatgan ako bigla eh. Like, what do you will she was good up dito? Okay, so doon pa din siya eh. Ano yun? Okay. Sipol-sipol pa siya, so wait. Punta. Ano pang makukuha dito? Wait, dalawa na yung itlog ko. I mean, dalawa naman talaga yung itlog ko. Pero yung nakuha kong itlog dito, dalawa na. So, ano pang meron dito? Doon siya. Doon siya. Diyan. May scrap doon. Gusto ko makuha yun. Gusto ko makuha yung scrap. What's that? What was that? Wala po. Pog! Pog! Patay ka, Lay! Yari ka talaga! Sarado! Oh my god, aimbot! Palabasin mo ko! Palabasin mo ko! Please! No! Wala na naman ako scrap! Okay lang, nakuha ko yung itlog. Okay lang pala, nakuha ko yung itlog. I mean, nakuha ko na yung itlog, so hindi ko na siya kailangan balikan or babalikan ko pa siya. Sa Facebook. Sa Facebook sila nag-i-stream. Go. Speedrun. Takbo lang. Speedrun lang. Make sure nobody go. Okay. Wala akong pakialam dyan. Okay, dito hindi worth it yung scraps. So tatakbo na lang tayo.
Shouldn't be
Oh,
here!
no. Hindi mo ako mababaril. Oo, jiggle.
Better hold your fast!
Okay. I'm done with that egg.
Hey!
Anong hoy?
You better
Hoy ka
run!
din. Hoy ka din. Ay, nabol nyo pa ako ha. Ito oh. Ito ako sa train ko.
Catch him!
O, ratratin ko kayo. Makukulit kayo ah.
Signature!
Lalapit ka pa? Tawag. Wala, nag-overheat. Patayin na. Ulit kayo ah. Alright. saan ba ako papunta? Okay, ito. Okay, stop. Alright. Tao po. Hello po. May mission daw ako dito. Mission daw po ako. Ito po yung mission ko dito. Nakaw po. Scrap po kayo. May bala po ba kayo? Wala, natatama daw ba sa akin? Okay, so crap, ayun. Kuya,
You're the archivist my father told me about. Although, I'm disappointed to see that he chose to stay on the mainland rather than return with you. Not to say that your help isn't appreciated, but we could have used his aid as well. If you haven't already heard from the others, the mine boss Warren is protecting dangerous monster eggs that could lead to catastrophe. While our main plan is to summon Charles into a duel and fight him to the death, we've devised a perfect trap as a precaution that may help defeat him. Go attach these remote explosives to each of the support pillars under the wood bridge out there. Then meet me back here.
alright. Asan ba yung bridge? Under the bridge, dito? Parang ano lang. Okay, so balik tayo kay Paul. Paul!
That's the tallest and weakest bridge on the island. So if Charles ever crosses it, we can blow him sky high. I'll be on standby to detonate the charges, but it's still up to you to summon and fight him.
Okay.
Here, take this. It's the key to the temple.
Oh,
Once you think you're prepared enough, you can break in and fight the battle of a lifetime.
okay. So ayun, i-end na muna natin ang episode natin for tonight. Leave lang kayo ng like if nagustuhan nyo yung video. Tab ka na din para malaman mo pag may next akong video. Sana makita ko pa ulit kayo sa next video ko. Yun lang. Paalam!
Mag-isa lang ako, ang hirap maghanap ng kakampi. Kahit anong sabihin ko, walang nag-iintindi. Mag-isa lang ako, kahit malungkot ang nararamdaman.